Hello everyone! So I found this cute little shirt of our daughter and there's a hole already and it's kind of small for her, so I will make this as a DIY face mask. So I have scissor and I do have also my ruler and my pencil, and I'm just gonna cut the front of the shirt. I'm not gonna include the part that have hole. And let's start. So I'm just gonna use my ruler. We don't need to make a perfect mask. What important is we can have something to use for protection when we're going out. We can use a handkerchief also, like if you have a big bandana handkerchief, you can use that also. Nowadays, we cannot buy a surgical mask because all the frontliners need that, and also a sick person like me. But there's no surgical mask already that we can buy outside. So let's be productive by making our own mask. It will show our creativity in this time. So I just make some line and I'm gonna cut it. So I will cut first the bottom of this, and my scissor is not so sharp, so I apologize for that. It's going to be, I'm gonna use the bottom also as my thread. I'm just using our old scissor. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut this part. I think I'm gonna cut first. Okay. I wanna make two masks, that's why I double it while cutting. Like what I said, we don't need to make a perfect face mask. What important is we have protection for ourselves. Trying to cut it with, let's see if this one will work. Oh, this one is much better, the small one. The small is much sharp. That's what I said. Don't underestimate the little one. Okay, we're almost finished with the other part. And let's the other side. So I hope everyone is doing well and be safe, guys. It's okay. Let's cut the bottom. Oh, I mean the top. I forgot to line this part, so okay. Other one have something. So now that I finished already cutting the side of the shirt, I will fold it into two. And then inside I will fold it also like an inch. This one too, and then like that, it look like that. So we can put a filter inside. And then I'm gonna make a hole in both sides. I will make 4, including this part. And if you remember, guys, this is the one that I cut in the bottom, and we will use this as our string. So I'm just gonna cut it in 2. So I'm removing the hard part of the cloth, this one. So that's not gonna be difficult to put the string in the mask. Okay, so we have 2 sets. And then I'm gonna make a hole now using again the scissor. So I'm just gonna try if I can use this one. So it's okay. So make a hole already. So make sure that when you put a hole, it's not gonna be in the very end of the shirt. And then I'm gonna make also here. And this is a cotton shirt, so it's easy to. Then also here. And in the other side. Okay. Okay. And make sure they are aligned. One. And in the last part, just be careful, guys, when you hold the scissor. You don't want to hurt yourself. Okay. So let's put now our yarn. This is the bottom of the shirt that I removed earlier. So I'm gonna start at the back. So I'm pointing the tip of the scissor in the hole that I made. And touching it. And then in the other side, If you have a shoelaces, you can also use shoelaces. And then in the next hole, this one. Then our last one. So let's put the other one. You can go in this direction if you want, guys. It's the same thing. Can see that. I can see the other hole. That's why like I'm having a hard time. Okay. We're down to the 2 hole. Okay, we're almost done. And this is our DIY face mask with no sewing machine and no needle. You can make it like curve a little bit if you want. And so sorry for the lightning because I'm in a room and the cloud is like on and off. This is what it look like. So I make 4 holes. So this will be our thread like that. You can just make it like a ribbon. Goes to the other side. Because it's been folded and there's a gap, so and I also include the one that I fold in the hole. So this is our DIY face mask with no sewing machine and no needle at all. So I'm gonna try now the mask, and I put some tissue inside. I fold 2 parts of it. Okay, let's see. So this is what it looked like, guys, and I like how soft it is, and at the same time it cover also my chin. And on this side, it's not hurting my ears because the texture of the fabric is cotton, so I'm very comfortable. Also in the other side, I just make it like a ribbon tie. And in the nose, it looked great also. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please be safe, and I hope you learned something from me, and God bless you all. Stay safe.